Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today in this video I'll be doing some FIFA 18 Pacybits. So let's get into this. Shall I do a draft? I might do a draft towards the end of the video, but I'm gonna start with some of the packs that I got before this video started, so let's go. I got 103,600, so I might open at least one player for team of the week. Okay, I'll just do that now. It's gotta be a rubbish person, I know that. Oh, is it? Oh, Belgium. Are you having a laugh? Are you having a laugh? Are you? Meneer. Got Meneer. So, decent pack. I was expecting better, but still, it's a good inform anyway. So let's open this. Let me guess. Nah. Roberto. 8 more of this. It's gonna be a rare. No, it's a non-rare. Absolutely, Jemison. Oh, it's a rare. It's Eto. Okay. Is that what team is that? Don't even know. Gold pack. Will it be a rare? It's a non-rare. Of course, it's a gold pack. We got a rare Honda, it's a 78, but then this Italian person is an 80, Critsko, it's 80, but oh my god. How does this work? 5 more. I'm not even going to bother opening the silver packs. Probably none of you want to see that anyway. So we're not even going to bother opening the silver packs. 4 of this. Come on. Rare, German, Werner, no, Volland. Still decent. So, 3. Werner, why am I keep saying Werner? Gomez, so that's a quality, it's decent. One more gold pack and then you go into the draft. This is a rare Italian, Insigne. Yeah, that's actually decent. I would take that. Take that any day of the week. Let's now go into the draft. My club. See, I got Sanchez. They're decent. So I got Sanchez, Insigne. I only read out the best people, by the way. Sanchez, Insigne, Aspilicueta, Meunier, Patricio, Otamendi, Gaitan, Lamar, Benyat, Taliso, Wanyama, Gomez, Schweinsteiger, Eto, Xhaka, Morales, Ben Yedder, Rafael Walker, Welbeck, Batshuayi, Pielo, Kabay, Reed. I can see it's just going into the rubbish people. So let's go into a draft. FIFA 18 draft. Oh yeah, I've already got one here. So this is what I built before. Here it is. So let's go. So finish it. 0 leagues for 6 nations, quite good. So let's sim this, see how far we can go. Against River Plate, we should be able to win this comfortably. Whenever this happens, they're probably going to score in the 87th minute. Oh, okay. Definitely, yes. Thank you. 1-0 against AS Roma. Definitely again, two goals in 2 games. Carrasco, Perotti, Suarez has saved us. Okay, Suarez saved us anyway for that 3rd goal. Against Juventus. Oh my god. Dybala, Higuain. Oh my god. Are we good enough to beat them? No, when this happens, they're gonna score in like 80 plus minute. Okay, now I'm saying that they scored. Well, I mean we've scored. 1-0. We're through to the final. And guess who we're up against? Real Madrid. Are you having a laugh? Oh my god, Ronaldo, Bell, Benzema. Oh, it's 1-1. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Someone's got another goal. No. No. Oh, 3-2. Cruz, Isco, and Daniel Ceballos. So it's 3-2. 3-2. It's 3-2. It's 3-2. 3-2. So let's see what packs do you get. Premium gold, 3 premium gold packs. Quality right there. It's okay so far. So let's open the packs up. 3 premium gold packs. There. Who's that? Pedro Leon. That's okay, decent. 2 premium gold packs. We got Immobile. So that's quite good. And last one to end the video off. Daniel De Rossi. That's decent. Pereira, Zabaleta. That's good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more like this, or want to see new game, maybe like Color Switch or Dream League Soccer, just tell me what do you want to see? Maybe some FIFA career mode in real life. That'll probably be maybe done next week. So I'll see you all later. Goodbye.